The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 through 2026 Honda CR-V with a bare roof. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream BaseLine complete rack system. This is using the JetStream load bar, 60 inches in length, black shown here, also available in silver. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and base slips 178 for the front and 178 for the rear. Locks can be purchased as an available accessory, but are not required. That is a security element only. Crossbars are spaced at 32 inches apart, center to center, and they have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So a great rack for kayaks, bikes, luggage, and other things such like that. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.